Next, sixth question. Prove that the quadrilateral formed by joining midpoints of consecutive sides of a square is a square. अब आपके पास गिवन है एक स्क्वायर ABCD जिसमें P, Q, R और S मिड पॉइंट्स हैं साइड्स AB, BC, CD और DA के। प्रूव करना है कि ये जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल बना है PQRS ये एक स्क्वायर है। स्क्वायर प्रूव करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी विल प्रूव दैट इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम। पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करने के लिए वी विल बी जॉइनिंग AC। उस पैरेललोग्राम में प्रूव किया जाएगा वन एंगल इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। दैट विल मेक ऑल द फोर एंगल्स इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। देन वी विल प्रूव अ पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल, जिससे इसकी चारों साइड्स भी क्या हो जाएंगी, इक्वल। दैट विल मेक PQRS एज अ स्क्वायर। सो कंसिडरिंग द डायगोनल AC के साथ दो ट्राइंगल्स बन रहे हैं, वन इज BAC, अदर इज DAC। ट्राइंगल BAC में P और Q मिड पॉइंट्स हैं, सो PQ इज पैरेलल टू AC एंड PQ इज हाफ ऑफ AC बाय मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम, मार्किंग देम एज 1 and 2। इन ट्राइंगल DAC we have S and R, the two midpoints. So SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC, marking them as 3 and 4. From 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get PQ is parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR. They are parallel because both PQ and SR are parallel to AC. Lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. PQ is half the length of AC and SR is also equal to half the length of AC. That makes PQ is equal to SR. So from these two points, PQ parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR, PQRS becomes a parallelogram because a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. अब इसमें हम प्रूव करेंगे one angle equal to 90 degree. Now this is the point of intersection of the two diagonals. Considering this as point O, point M and point N. यहां पर अगर हम एंगल P को 90 प्रूव कर दें तो चारों एंगल्स 90 हो जाएंगे। इस पूरी फिगर में 90 डिग्री कहां पर है अभी, इट इज प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर। द डायगोनल्स ऑफ स्क्वायर बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री। PQ is parallel to AC, that makes PM is parallel to NO। किसी तरह से हम ये प्रूव कर दें कि PN is parallel to MO। For that we will consider the diagonal BD। diagonal BD के साथ बना triangle ABD। In triangle ABD, P and S are midpoints of AB and AD respectively. That gives PS is parallel to BD and PS is half of BD, marking this as 5. That comes by midpoint theorem. This implies PS और BD parallel है, that makes PN is parallel to MO and PM is parallel to NO. That comes by the first point कि PQ is parallel to AC. This implies PMON is a parallelogram because both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That gives angle 1 is equal to angle MON. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, but angle MON is equal to 90 because diagonals of square bisect at 90 degree. That gives angle 1 as 90, marking this as 7. Now, AC is equal to BD because diagonals of square are equal. That gives half of AC is equal to half of BD. Half of AC is PQ and half of BD is PS, marking this as 8. That comes from 2 and 6. Now, from 5, 7 and 8, PQRS is a square because square is a parallelogram with one angle equal to 90 degree and a pair of adjacent sides equal. In fifth, we have proved PQRS is a parallelogram. From 7, we got one angle equal to 90, and from 8, we get a pair of adjacent sides equal. That makes it a square.